Hello, my name is Keith Kennedy. I'm Managing Director of ProITAV. Welcome to InfoComm 2026 here in wonderful, nice and cool Las Vegas, Nevada. We're here in our demonstration and meeting suite. We are an OEM, ODM manufacturer of signal management products as well as unified communications products. So we work with companies all over the globe, many of the companies here on the show floor, to build AV over IP solutions, extenders, splitters, switches, video bars, cameras, all kinds of things that are necessary to manage the signal, distribute the signal, process it, as well as cameras and video bars and speakerphones used in conference rooms. So thank you, rAVe, for stopping by and checking out what we do. If you have any questions, you can check out our website at proitav.us, and you can find me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and all the other platforms. Thanks for coming by.